up, guys? It is Cyber Scrapper here, back with another video. What is up, guys? If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. And my name is Cyber Scrapper, if you're new to this channel. Today we're gonna go back from where we left off yesterday and scrap copper cores, copper motors. We're gonna try to look for some TVs. TVs are the easiest scrap you can scrap. You know, all you gotta do is pop the back of it open, and there is the copper motor, and it's pure copper. You know, so you're getting more money for it. It's not insulated copper. Insulated copper is cheaper, so we want to find some pure copper today. So we're gonna go find some copper, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, but if you're already subscribed, don't even worry about hitting the subscribe button. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let's go scrap. Little piece of copper here. I'm gonna take this little piece right here. It's nothing, but all right, got this dumpster. Nothing here. Alrighty, so there doesn't seem to be anything in here either. Just a bunch of side junk. Woo. Seems to be a pair of boots right there, but whatever. Alrighty. I've checked 4 dumpsters, now we're on the 5th one. See if there's anything over here. Probably just trash. And a mattress. Just junk today, man. Where's all the scrap at? Because usually there's scrap everywhere over here. Something. So we're gonna pull this. Oh, okay. I'll just put this in my bag, guys. I'm gonna put this in my bag since it's so small. I can just take it with me. I'll scrap it somewhere else, and nobody, just in case. I don't want to have to cuss anybody out today. Got purses and stuff. Maybe I can take this. Nah, that's not take that. So yeah, that's all that's in here. Nothing in here, I guess. Junk. Wasteful human junk. Alrighty, we're done here. Oh yeah, baby, we got a vacuum. Awesome. Alrighty. I think what we're gonna do is that's about it. All I want to see is the vacuum. So oh, what's this on here? I don't think that. Oh, there's a TV right there. Yeah, let's take this. I'm gonna take this vacuum here. Yeah. All right, guys. So now that we have this, I'm gonna go grab the vacuum, and we're gonna scrap both of them right here. But this does have a electric motor in it, right here somewhere. Pretty sure it does. But if it doesn't, we can just take the cord. We'll still get an electric motor from the vacuum. But yeah, I'm gonna just take the chance to bring it over here, and we can scrap it right here. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you like this video. Go ahead. All right, guys. So We have the vacuum right here. I got my hammer, I got my knife, my screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead and unscrew this. Can't really see what's in, you know what? I think I'm gonna just use my hammer. The electric motor is right here. Just gotta get into it. I can already see the copper. Let's get that out. Come on. Alrighty. Okay, so got the motor right here. It's about to pop out. If I can get it up. Oh, a piece over here in my mouth. Oh, what's up? There we go. Nice piece of copper right there. Oh. All right. Yeah, you got some aluminum or some steel right here. Okay, so we have some aluminum. We have some aluminum, and then there's a copper. And here's the copper right here, which is electric motor. Still probably count as electric motor since it has all the stuff around it. I don't have the tools for that yet. And we have copper cord, electric cord. And then we still have this right here. If I can, oh yeah, it's in my pocket. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this cord off. It's too thick. Yeah, it's a little bit thick. Might have to like take it, do like this. There we go. And then we have a copper cord. Yep. Alrighty, so this thing here has a little bit of copper. It's just a little tiny electric motor right here. Just take it out, and should be, yeah, yep. It's a little motor. These wires I can keep too if I want. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can open it. Alright guys, so this is the bag that I carry. I'm gonna start carrying plastic bags like this, so when I collect my copper I can put it in here. So this is a mix of electric motor copper, electric motor, and insulated copper. I have copper pipes, the copper cords that we gotten from the vacuum and the hair dryer. I can go. I saw a fan over there. I can go swoop by and grab the cord real quick. That's enough room that I have for this bag. But yeah, guys, I actually got some copper today, and it looks pretty good. I'm gonna probably end up getting a storage unit. So I can put all my copper that I scrapped in the storage unit. And I'm about to move. I'm about to move, so I'm probably gonna be living in a garage or a shed. And basically, I can store all the copper I want when I move. So yeah, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna go back and edit this video for you guys and go ahead and post it. I don't have enough storage. I don't have a lot of storage as I should have. I only have 16 gigs of storage, so I have to be really careful of how long this video is gonna be and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video for you guys and upload it for you guys so you guys can watch it. And then I might go back out and scrap. I'm not really sure. Today's my day off and tomorrow's my day off. So I'm really trying to, and I'm in the process of moving and stuff. So it might be really complicated to make, more videos, but I will try my best to make more videos for you guys. So if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, I want you to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any comments, subscribe, and I'm out.